We're here at Core with the Cappellotto 3200 recycling unit. Let's take a look. The 3200 recycling unit has a 304 stainless steel sludge tank with an 8,000 litre capacity. The sludge tank is tipping to 36 degrees and includes a fully opening rear door. Debris product level indicator on the rear door monitors the debris level and incorporates a vacuum shut-off sensor when the tank is full. The sludge tank flushing washout feature ensures cleaning the tank is quick and easy at the dump site. The 304 stainless steel water tanks have a capacity of 6,000 litres. The water tanks are mounted separate to the sludge tank and located on both sides and under the sludge tank to give the best weight distribution and lower centre of gravity. The water tanks are divided into 5 separate chambers and make up the 4th stage of the recycler system. Each tank has an inspection hatch on top to allow the tanks to be regularly cleaned out.